Hello, and welcome to the Learn English, Love English channel. Today, we will explore the incredible story of Evelyn Glennie, a renowned percussionist who listens to sound without hearing it. Her journey is truly inspiring. Evelyn Glennie became profoundly deaf as a child, but that did not stop her from pursuing her passion for music. Born and raised on a Scottish farm, her hearing loss was gradual and first noticed at age 8. By the age of 11, Evelyn's hearing had deteriorated significantly. Doctors suggested she use hearing aids and attend a school for the deaf. However, Evelyn was determined to live a normal life and continue with her music. Her breakthrough came when percussionist Ron Forbes noticed her potential. He encouraged Evelyn to listen to music differently by feeling the vibrations in her body rather than hearing them with her ears. This changed everything for her. Evelyn discovered that she could feel different musical notes in various parts of her body. This unique ability allowed her to play and enjoy music despite her deafness. She worked hard and never looked back. Touring the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, Evelyn decided to make music her career at the age of 16. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music in London, achieving one of the highest scores in the institution's history. Throughout her studies, Evelyn transitioned from playing in orchestras to performing solo. She earned numerous awards along the way, showcasing her incredible talent and determination. Her journey was just beginning. Evelyn Glennie is now one of the world's most sought-after percussionists. She has mastered over 1,000 instruments and performs internationally. Her success is a testament to her hard work and passion for music. Despite her global success, Evelyn remains humble and dedicated to her craft. She often gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals, bringing the joy of music to those who need it most. Her generosity knows no bounds. Evelyn also prioritizes teaching young musicians, sharing her knowledge, and inspiring the next generation. Her story is a powerful reminder that with determination and passion, one can overcome any obstacle. Her achievements have not only broken barriers in the music world, but also in the perception of disabilities. Evelyn Glennie has shown that limitations can be transformed into strengths with the right mindset. Evelyn's story is an inspiration to many, especially those with disabilities. She proves that with determination and passion, one can achieve greatness despite any challenges. Her life is a testament to resilience. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the incredible journey of Evelyn Glennie. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new lessons. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more amazing stories and helpful content. Thank you for watching. We hope you found Evelyn Glennie's story as inspiring as we did. Stay tuned for more amazing stories and lessons on the Learn English, Love English channel. See you in the next video.